Nigga, we blowin', and I got your bitch going, and she wet as the ocean, so I fuck in slow motion. Nigga, we blowin', and I got your bitch going, and she wet as the ocean, so I fuck in slow motion. Hey, what's up, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Chris B Music, and I'm back today with another video. I know that I haven't uploaded a review or a cologne review or a shoe review in a while, but lately I've been on my music stuff. I've been dropping albums, I've been dropping music videos, I've been traveling. Y'all know how that goes. But enough about me. I hope that everyone is doing good. I hope everybody's been safe during this pandemic. I hope no one is catching the coronavirus. I hope that everyone's working. I hope that everyone is blessed. What's been up? Tap in, leave a comment below, let me know how y'all been doing. But the moment y'all been waiting for, y'all came here to look at some Jordans. I'm here to talk to y'all today about the Jordan 6 rings. And the reason why they are called Jordan 6 rings is because for those of you that don't know, obviously Michael Jordan was a very famous basketball player. He played in the 90s and he was at the peak of his career in 1996. But anyway, in his career, Michael Jordan ended up winning 6 championship rings. That's freaking great. That's crazy. So here's the box that it came in. You know, typical Michael Jordan box. Jordan 6 rings. We're 10 and a half. 6 rings right there. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get to it, ladies and gents. I'll be damned. Look at that specimen of a shoe. Look at that mother lover. This is a beautiful shoe. And these are a very prestigious pair of Air Jordans right here. I mean, it's so incredible. And what you see right here, these are a mixture of 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14 Air Jordans. And those are the shoes that he was wearing when he won each one of his championships. So he had the 6s on, he had the 7s on, he had the 8s on, 12s on, 13s on, and the 14s on. So, and they came up with the shoe. So they blended them all together to pay homage to Michael Jordan. These shoes right here, you can buy these for approximately $170 at footlocker.com, footaction.com, Finish Line. I mean, just tap in, man. I mean, these shoes are very incredible. $170, I think it's well worth it. You know, I've actually have worn these shoes once before. I wore them one time, and like I said, they definitely dope. Got a lot of compliments, got a lot of head turns, got a lot of questions. People like them. My friends, they seem to like them. However, once you get these shoes on, they're pretty freaking comfortable. However, getting them on is a pain in the butt because, like you see right here, they got like this little thing right here. I don't know what the hell this is for right here, but if you got like a longer foot or a fatter foot, it's kind of hard to squeeze it in here. So you got to dang near break your ankle to get your foot in here. But once you put it on, it hugs you really snug. It fits tight. It's comfortable. I definitely like it. But yeah, if you're interested in owning a pair of Jordan 6 rings, go to Foot Locker, Foot Action, finishline.com. And I think I may have ordered mine at footlocker.com. No, I think I ordered mine through Finish Line. Yeah, I ordered mine through finishline.com, and it was free shipping. And the shoes, they came pretty damn quick. I think I had them within 3 days. So it was pretty rapid, pretty quick. So give me your feedback. Are these a pair of shoes that you would buy? Do you own a pair? If so, where did you find them at? How much you pay? Did you buy them online? Did you go to the store? Tap in. Let me know. Give me some feedback. But that's it for my video today. As always, thank you for taking time out your busy day to come and see me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.